Kids Channel. So today is Christmas. Today I'm going to show you my Christmas tree and my Christmas crib. I wish you all a very happy Christmas. Merry Christmas! Come, let me show you my Christmas tree and my Christmas crib. Watching your Little Kids Channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorating my Christmas tree. I have lots of decorating things, and let me show you. Let me show you.
This is Christmas wishes board.
This is a Christmas wishes board, and these are bells.
Head the card.
1, 2, bells. These are bells only, big bells. I'm having so many bells. This is the smallest bells. These are tinsels. I have lots of them. And I have lots of them. And these are small tinsels. I am having red and gold. And these are gold and beads. These are small snowmans. I have 2 snowmans. And this is small trumpet. This is small bow. This is 2 small stars. And this is Christmas candy. See. This is the reindeer or the Christmas. This is Christmas candies. Now I'm having small trees and small pot. So now see. See, I will make more like this only. I will show all these. These are small drums and this is big drum. I have just 2. Now I will show you gifts. Small gifts. I'm having more. This is blue gift. I love these. So these are my decoration things. I will show you what I will put in the Christmas tree. So let me show